In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about square roots. So if we have a problem like this one that says, what is a square root? Find the square root of 9, okay? So to find the value of a square root, think what number multiplied by itself will equal the number under the root symbol. This is the root symbol. So for 9, we need to figure out which number multiplied by itself equals 9, or basically the square of the number. A number that's multiplied by itself is called the square of the number. So for 9, we know that 3 squared equals 9. That's basically the same as 3 times 3, right? This is 3 squared is 3 times 3. This is the number multiplied by itself, which is basically the square of the number. So now if we have to find the square root of 9 equals 3. Another way to think of it is that the square root of 9 equals the square root of 3 squared. And so basically what this means is the root symbol and the square cancel each other out. Okay, they cancel each other out. And then you're just left with 3. So that is the basic explanation of square root. And you can't get any more simpler than that. And if you didn't understand that right away, don't worry. Just rewatch the video and you should probably you're probably just one explanation away from getting it. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, if you need more help, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you can download the ebook. In the ebook, I have a link there that'll take you right to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.